Heater box. Check. Yeah, Wick, good?
Totally good.
Happy, except he got a seat stud up the butt while he was in there, but
Yeah, kind of goes without saying.
it's part of the game. So that's in. Look at that. Coming along. That's actually a real big piece of progress that took all of 40 seconds.
That almost went too easy. It makes me wonder what we did wrong.
You getting nervous that it was too easy?
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
I always get nervous about it being too easy.
You know, I put that piece on there last week, right?
I know, but this little
You didn't,
chingadera here was cockeyed.
you didn't like where the ring was?
It was bothering me. It's
Gotcha.
supposed to go in a groove. I think it's in the groove.
Doing it by braille?
Yeah, gotta get in the groove, baby.
Get in the groove.
It's in the groove now.
You know what happens when you get out of the groove?
I don't want to get out of the groove.
Put the car goes right in the fence. Been there, done that. Right, we got part of the AC box mounted. Heater box is in. Look at that. Yeah, I don't see anything though, Wick, on this end.
That's good, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Wick's in there putting some extra hardware in.
It's good as long as it didn't just go like driving right through the evaporator or something.
Oh, God. Right into the heater core.
Yeah, or into the heater core.
That'd be fucking cute.
Yeah, look at that baby. It looks nice.
Remember, it's dual panel in there.
Dual panel.
All right. Wick, are you handling your caulk?
I am. I'm busy caulking. Little black caulk.
Laying down some caulk.
All right, now I gotta do this side.
Got to caulk the side. Got to caulk the other side.
This is gonna be the messy side. I should turn some light on there so I can see what I'm doing. There we go.
Usually when you finish with the caulk, it's a little messy.
This is really messy.
Nothing? Nothing?
It's working. So that's all that gets, just that side. And this gets down
The center gets it too.
to the center.
Right in here.
Oh, it does, all right. It's got a different groove for the caulk.
Sometimes you got to change up the grooves the caulk goes into.
Man, I need a longer tube.
Just basically imply you need a longer caulk.
Yeah. Like I just barely got around that thing.
Trying to hold back the fucking laughter. Oh, Jesus.
All right, so there's that.
Heater and AC boxes. Check. Mounted up. Looking good. I like it. Wick, you like it?
I love it.
Wick loves it.
Love it. Lettuce.
Progress. It's a beautiful thing.